emojis.
Hey, glad you came back. Hey, today is a special day. It's a One Big Happy Family collab. This is the second annual F.U.B.U collab, right? 2022. You know we're gonna bring it back. This is for us, by us. So what we do in this collab for this month, you're going to go to either your local or online, or if you're visiting somewhere, black-owned businesses. Right? Show your patriotism to that establishment. And so you know me, I like to go to the Fish Hut. Okay, it's in Hemet. It's a little mom and pop. It's black-owned. Okay, I like to get the shrimp po' boys. Mama Shaw likes to get the shrimp po' boys. Generally, I get alligator there too, but this time I got some red snapper, right? Fried red snapper, and I got some collard greens. Okay, and as I'm doing this, I'm going to give an honest review, mainly because I've never had the snapper there, and I've never had the collard greens there. Normally, if I'm going to eat collard greens, I'm going to make them myself. Now, this is being produced by BigBelly Bob, Miss Shan. If you don't know who they are, look in the description. I will put links to their channels on there for you to see. Also, if you are watching my video and you don't know who the One Big Happy Family is in this particular collab, I'll have a playlist down there so you can look at the videos or premieres that were prior to mine, as well as I'll keep updating the list for the premieres that are after mine. That being said, let's enjoy these premieres. I hope you like it. I hope you like the people you're gonna meet if this is your first time. Let's go to it. See what we got.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
All right, so you're still here. So check it out. So my way of supporting the black-owned businesses, I went back to the Fish Hut. I like to go there. I want to try their collard greens. What I have here, I have a double collard greens. I have some fried red snapper. I have my shrimp po' boy and my Cajun fries. Some extra sauce if I need it. Hope you enjoyed this. And again, this was brought together, presented by the One Big Happy Family, right? Produced by BigBelly Bob, Miss Shan. My mouth is already watering because, you know, I want to get into this. And then we're going to talk about it. After I get in, let me sample these collard greens. See what we're working with. A little spicy. Yep. Some of these fries. Sauce. Now this sauce is the remoulade sauce that goes with the po' boy. The collard greens, I mean, they're all right, you know. Tastes like there might be a little bit of vinegar in it. Maybe they put some hot sauce in it. I don't see any crushed red pepper flakes, so. I'm not sure. Oh, blue can. I don't see any onions or any other vegetables in the collard green. The meat looks like it might be maybe a ham hock. Can't really tell if it's a ham hock or turkey neck. Looks like it's ham. I'm gonna try some of the snapper. Snapper's nice. The red snapper is nice. So now, if you're watching this, I hope you had the privilege to watch any premieres that were before mine. I know they're awesome. And also, take a look at the premieres after mine. I think you'll like what you see. You know, I got my gloves on because I know this po' boy is going to get all out of control. And we're about to hit this right now. See what we got. Look at that. Is that nice? Is that nice for you? Very good. I can taste the seasoning in the sauce. The remoulade is awesome. So because of time restraints, you're not going to see me eat all of this, okay? Because you have other people to see. But yeah, with this being Black History Month, this F.U.B.U collab really works for us, by us. Support your local Black-owned businesses. Okay? If you can't help them out, especially the mom and pop shops. Like this one's a mom and pop shop. Yeah, I've said it before. it costs a little bit more because they don't get the discounts like the big chains do. But more times than not, the flavors are awesome. The portions are okay, right? Now in this particular case, the portions of the fish are good, the fries, po' boy portion is okay for the price. I don't think I can say the same for the collards, right? For what the collards cost, I would have thought I would have got more, especially since it's a vegetable, and vegetables overall are cheaper than meat. So load me up, right? So let's give a shout out to the One Big Happy Family for bringing this collab this weekend. F.U.B.U collab. I hope you guys enjoy the premieres and what you see. It's just a group of us enjoying the activity or an event together, loving our friendship. So I'm going to get on back into this. If you like this, give me a like, thumbs it up. Share me out if you can. Also, speaking of this collab, when you support your local black-owned business or a black-owned business period, doesn't necessarily have to be local, you don't have to wait till February to do it. Do it year-round, okay? And also, if you're not connected with me on Instagram, go to Instagram, what my name is, Shrashira. Look for the gray cat, and let's connect. I'm about to get in on this. I'm about to go watch some of the other premieres. I hope you come there with me so we can enjoy our fellowship together. Thanks for watching again. Enjoy your day.